Warm greetings, dear students. In this particular session, we are going to discuss about how to make the prediction of share prices by the available historical data. So this will be part of your business analytics assignment. I'll be sharing you the screen where I have taken the share prices of Nifty 500 index. So like this, you will be assigned already you have been assigned a company for taking the share price. So what we are going to do is like this, you'll be getting a data. Okay, I'll be sharing you the website address where you can download the share prices. In that, you need to give the company name which is assigned to you in the respective column. If by giving that, it will be asking you the data, date from where to when. So you can give the date. So here we have taken the date from 1st January to 30, 31st January. Okay. So 1st January to 30th January, you'll be getting the data. Since it consists of 20 days. Okay. So in the second semester, you have learned about method of least square, wherein the x values you need to assume. Okay. If it is odd number of data, that is different procedure. However, for this calculation, you'll be getting even number of data. So you can assume the value for the middle of the days as 0 0.5 minus 0 0.5. It is common for everyone. So you can have the same x values for everyone. Okay, from 1st January to 30th January, you can have the x values like this. Then your y values are the values which you have downloaded from the given website, in which it contains the date from 1st January to 30th January. Okay, so there will be different prices like opening price, closing price, uh, low price, high price. You can find out the average of four prices. In Excel itself, you can select all the four values: opening, close, low, high. All the four prices you can select. Okay, you'll be getting four cells like this. You can select and you can find out the average. Okay, here if you click the arrow, you can click this average, then you'll get the average price of the day. Like this, you can find out the average for all the 20 days. That prices only I have taken here as Y value. So this is Y value. This is Y value and X value is same for all the students. So you can take the X values like this. Okay. Now, what is the next step in the sense? You need to find out Y is equal to A plus BX. Okay, here A and B are very constant values. Y and X are variable. Okay. Now, the formula for A, which you have learned in your second semester, is A is equal to summation Y by summation Y by N. Okay. So summation Y by N is the formula for summation Y by summation Y by N is the formula for calculating A. Summation Y means total of all this. You can select this. Okay. You can select this. If you click auto sum, then you will get the summation value. So this is the value of summation Y. Okay. I'll be highlighting here. And N value is total number of days. So we have taken 20 days. So A value, you need to calculate that A is equal to this value, summation of Y divided by N value 20. So this is value of A. Okay. And next you need to calculate B value. So this is value of A. I'm highlighting here. And next we need to calculate B value, right? So for the formula, for calculating B, the formula is B is equal to summation XY. Okay, summation XY, summation XY divided by summation X square, summation X square, summation X square. Okay, so is a formula for B. Okay, so what you need to do for this in the sense, you need to find out X and Y. Okay, so X values we assume I want Y value we have taken from the average. So that two values you can multiply. How can you multiply? You can use a formula is equal to, okay, you can use the formula is equal to x. Just a minute. Here you need to calculate, right? So here what you can do is equal to x into y. X into y. You can enter, we'll get the value of x into y. Okay. So like this, you need to calculate values for all the cells. What you can do, you can track it. You will be getting values for all the days, x and y value. Okay. Next, we need to calculate x into x. That means x square. So for that also, the formula is equal to x into x. Again, click x. So we'll get x square. So that you can track for all the days. We'll get x square value. Okay. Now we got x square value. So now we can use the formula b is equal to, okay, b is equal to, before that we need to calculate summation of xy and summation of xy. So select all the xy values, click auto sum, you will get summation xy. Okay. Next, summation x square. For that, select all the x square values and you can click auto sum. You will get summation x square. Okay. So this is summation xy and summation x square. So here, formula for b is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. Okay. So now you'll get b value here. Okay. Now, to predict the value, we need to find out y is equal to a plus bx. Okay. So you can use the formula is equal to a plus a value is given, we already found, that is 15 point, manually you can give 15.323.16. Okay. Plus b into x. Okay. So plus open the bracket, b value is here. Okay, so b value is here. That also you can give manually, minus 19.00211. Okay, so this is b value into x value. Okay, so into x value, we have it here. So this is x value, and you can close the bracket. Now you close the bracket, you enter, you will get a plus bx value. So this we need for all the 20 days. So we can have it like this. Okay. Now, this is about calculating y is equal to a plus bx. Now you need to, the given assignment to you is you need to calculate the share prices for the days between 21st February to 25th February. Okay. Directly also you can do. Otherwise, what you can do, you can assume the x values furthermore. You can assume the x values furthermore from 31st to 25th of February, like this. Okay, what you can do, you can just select the last 3 days. Select the last 3 days. We just track the values till 25th of February. Then you'll be getting x values. Okay. Now already we use the formula y is equal to a plus bx here. Okay. So what do? You just track it. Okay. You just track the formula where used at last. Okay. So 30 is till 30 already we found. If you track this, okay, if you track this, it will automatically replace the y values. Then you are able to calculate the predicted value for the days from 31st January to 25th February. Okay. So now you will have the predicted value. Okay. So for this, you can make a line graph. You can select the prices. You can select the prices like this. And you can go to insert, then you can insert the line chart for the selected value. Okay. So the share prices will come like this if you use a line chart. Okay. You can select only the days, whichever you want. You need only the days from 1st January to 30 January, and you can delete the in between columns with in between rows from 1st February to 20th February. We don't want. We need the values from 21st to 25th. So those values alone you can select and you can make a graph for that. Okay. And here, this is called as predictive analytics, and descriptive and diagnostic analytics is already your part of assignment. Okay. So what you can do, you can find out the qualitative data. That means what is the reason for downtrend of the share prices. That would be your diagnostic analytics, and predictive analytics. Already we have done it here. Okay. I hope this video will clear your doubt about how to calculate and how to do the predictive analytics by using method of least square. Okay, thank you, students. If you have any further queries related to that, you can approach me. I'll be helping you, and we'll be sharing you the link where you can download the share prices. Thank you, student. Thank you for the question.